Have you ever seen Forsaken videos that are in public lobbies that get views that are not memes and not crazy clips because then
Oh,
people
great.
call you clip. Or yeah, they're in a public lobby.
No shot, I just missed
Are you
that.
that horrible?
This guest just saved me. This guest
Yeah.
actually just saved me.
Oh, he's still going.
W guest. Guest, please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. I swear, if you die, I'm going to eat someone.
Dude, I would have
Thank
laughed
you.
so hard had he died.
Thank you.
If I was that guest right there, I would have reset my character.
This is a strange emote. Okay, found my new emote. Well, time to use my new emote. This is fire, actually.
Found
Rain
ya.
just said, hi, Rain. Hello, Rain.
Should I increase the timers?
No, maybe don't do that. What is this slasher user doing? I thought
He's
maybe
kinda
these
sped.
slasher users are supposed to be good. Ramsey needs some help. Ramsey, can you like not die?
Oh, I thought I died.
Ramsey, what were you going for? It didn't seem like you were trying to go for something.
Let's see here. Everyone's on 50 HP, and I just sacrificed myself for them to keep dabbing around the slasher. Alrighty, well. So, is it our channel, or is it just mine? So, you answer, or once you die, I'll answer the question. Why is this slasher actually gonna crash? Why are you not running away?
All part of the plan.
You're about to get killed.
No. No.
10 HP.
No, I'm not.
Dude, I can see yours.
I'm
Look,
okay.
slasher's just bad. Any other slasher could have killed you. Dude, is he that stupid? For
I'm
shooting
on
him?
10 HP. How am I
Exactly.
still living? Well, is this a special LMS?
Is it?
2-time Blossom and Slasher Baby? Bro! Nah, this Slasher user has less HP than. Oh, no, never mind.
And the two-time
What
user
was
was
he
just
trying
trash.
to cook?
Then,
Also, you can
Well,
especially emote if Ramsey, come over here.
Yeah.
Click this TV like 15 times and you'll get a cool emote. I already have the emote. Here, do you want to see it?
oh, received TV time.
Yeah, it's an emote. This kid needs help. Oh, I thought that was me for a second. It's used to me, Blue Dude. Fried chicken, in the name of Fried John, can you please help me? Thank you. Yeah,
Landon,
I'm gonna go the other way.
I
have to say.
actually pulled off a block and then punch. You proud of me?
I'm so proud of you, Rave.
Shit.
Is this a guest? Oh yes, it's a guest. Is that a guest? It is a guest. Well, I'm waiting for a guest. Ramsey, do you need some help?
Yeah.
Like, Rain, do you need some help?
Now we run! Dude, I'm just... I'm my bad. Dude, no way! I'm on 8 HP and, I lost him.
You're welcome, I
This-
distracted him.
No, he ran away and then saw you. How am I still alive? Jesus Christ, I swear to God, Landon, I have to sacrifice for you.
I knew you were gay.
How does that have to...
This kid. Well,
Sorry.
you lost one. Ramsey, Ray, why did you do that?
Dude, I came up to him and I was like, oh crap, I gotta save this dude. Then when I came up there, he was already dead.
That is actually a skill issue.
Dude, how's that a skill issue?
Well, I'm gonna go the other way now. I just now decided.
Landon.
Yeah. Freaking ball. Things are getting a whole lot bluer. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. No shot. He really did just see me. I'm so good at this game.
Okay.
Chasing me.
Landon, Roblox is crashing today.
Yeah, like 5 games are updating. No.
Yeah, 99 Nights, Grow a Garden, Steal a Brain Rot, Blocks Fruits. And probably one more.
Yes, please. Go! Go! Yeah! Please tell me that's not a milestone 4 and that's just a cultist user.
Alright, well, I'll pop off and get on VR maybe. See ya.
Alright.
And you're sure with, like, putting the name on the
Surely
channel?
this guest would know. Guest.
Landon, how about this? Because if I put my name as just Rain, people are gonna think I'm coughing about one Rain guy. So, how about this? You do one skit once every weekend?
Sure.
That all?
Starting next weekend though.
Dude, we need a skit from you. You do realize we have a 4-day weekend.
Okay, fine.
Maybe today or maybe Monday.
Yeah, that Shedletsky kinda died. I'm not gonna follow him.
So today or Monday, because Tuesday I'm going into Austin with my dad. Having fun.
Nice.
Yeah, we're riding the train. It's gonna be cool. And going to Chili's.
Fire.
Alright, well, see ya.
Alright.
And when do you want to do your, like, weekendly skit? Today or Monday?
I'll do it today.
Well, you gotta commit to doing it Monday, though. That's good with you.
I might do it Monday. Nah!
Alright, because we do need a couple skits from you, because I told you I'm gonna receive a lot of hate if I make my name just Rain.
Well, I did says but literally just burnt me to a crisp.
Wait, Landon, why don't we have Rain and Greeny as our main channel that we upload sometimes in? Right? And then we'll have your YouTube channel for Forsaken content linked to it, right? As the other channels.
Nah, this kid's actually level
He's not
252.
Dang, alright, see ya.
See ya. Surely Retro 1X's are actually trash, right? That's not a good noise. Nah! Nah! That should have just worked. Not gonna lie, that effect's kind of fire though. Wait, is he going after me or the guest? Guest? Please take some Please take some damage. Please take some damage. Please. Oh, so you decide to come to me instead? Man, that would have been so funny if I did that. Oh, this kid wants the LMS. This kid wants the LMS. That's respectable. That's respectable. Aha. And I got some money. And I got more money. Oh, look, it's me. That's fun. I did not just notice that. Nah. Yeah, I did not really expect it. There we go. No shot, I actually just hit that. Okay, that's not bad. Now I get that one. Aha, you wasted that. That would have been so funny if I actually. Or that. This is the worst map for 1X, I would you look at that? It's a Hack Lord Chidletsky. That's fun. Hack Lord 1X is actually kind of fire though. Those two are about to die. I really just need to hope I'm not gonna be the Chidletsky he locks on to. I'll just go this way. He's going after the other Chidletsky. Song's actually fire. Surely I can clutch this. I didn't think I was gonna get to the yellow mess like that. Well, that was fun.